Hey everyone, Irit here with a new process video for HipKit Club, and today is Mixed Media Monday, and I'm going to show you how to create a kind of ombre effect background. Now I'm using these powders. These are called Magical. They are from Lindy's Stamp Gang and they came in the April color kit. And these are basically, it's like kind of like a pigment powder, and you can mix it with anything and use it in a variety of ways. So the nice thing about these types of products is that they're very versatile, and you can spray them with a little bit of water, which you'll see me doing, and use it kind of like watercolors. You can mix them with white gouache, you can mix them with white paint, and I'm mixing them here with my favorite super extra heavy body gesso from Liquitex. I just prefer to use the very heavy body gesso on scrapbook paper. It really doesn't buckle the paper because it's so heavy. There's very little water in it, and for me that's it works better than like the liquid kind of gesso. So my gesso is white, as you can see, and these colors are, to start with, you can see that the powder is light. It is a light color, so my ombre effect is not very dramatic, and that's why I'm adding just a little bit of this kind of hot pink spray just to get the color a little bit darker. So you can absolutely tweak this and mix it with existing products. You can just drop a little bit of watercolor if you don't have any spray mists and kind of adjust the colors. And here I am using the peach powder, and you can see how dark it is with just water, and then I'm going to lighten it with the gesso. So ombre is, kind of a smooth transition of color, and at first I was going to go from just pink to white or almost white, so just different shades of pink, lighter and lighter. But then I decided to also add the peach color, so you have that kind of soft transition between the darker pink at the bottom, then it lightens, and then we go into the peach colors. And obviously you can do this with pretty much just about any supply that you have at home. If you have stamping inks, you could put squish the pad on some packaging and add some gesso to it. You can tint your paint in with pretty much anything. You don't have to have these powders, but if you do have them, then this is a really fun way of using them. And since I had some leftovers, I'm going to show you another background. I'm going to use the white one that I created before for my layout, but you can go for this too. And the gesso is very opaque, so you can see that the color stays true even though my background here is not white. And then I thought I would try the blue one, and as you can see, the color is much darker when you just add water to it. And then I'm adding increasing amounts of white gesso to lighten it, because I do prefer my colors light. And it's really nice with when you use a palette knife like I'm doing here, you just get this really, really beautiful texture. It kind of smears the color a little bit, but it looks very like painterly and a little bit rough, and that's a look that I really, really want. So I'm just adding just a bit touches of blue also on the peach side, and then a little bit of peach also on the blue side, just to get it looking a little bit more kind of cohesive. And that's it. So I let everything completely dry, and now I'm going to create my layout. It's going to be super, super simple. I'm using this cute photo that I printed on my HP Sprocket. I have kind of a review on my channel. I will link you to it if I remember. And it's just a super cute pocket printer, and since my Canon selfie died on me and I don't think I will repurchase, I'm using what I have on hand. So it is a smaller photo than I tend to use on my layouts, but that's what I had and I wanted to scrap it. So that's what we're using. And of course, using a small photo allows you to see more of the background. And yeah, what can I say? I also love having a lot of real estate space for my mixed media backgrounds and embellishments and all that. So this gives me a ton of space for adding embellishments. And I'm going to focus on the ones from Dear Lizzie that we got in the April kit, because the colors really complement these peachy pink colors. We have a lot in the kit is from Paige Evans, and I've used that in my previous layouts using this kit. And those colors are very saturated and bright. And the Dear Lizzie palette is a little bit softer, so it really coordinates well with the colors here. So I'm going to add some of the stickers, a bunch of the stickers, and also some of those dimensional embellishments, which are just gorgeous. I'm a little bit hoarding the dimensional balloons. You'll see that I will use the balloon sticker here, but those balloons, yeah, I think I will have to use them for my next layout because they're just so cute and I really want to use them on a page. So the photo is just Lily showing her nails. She's been a little bit obsessed with nail polish. Yeah, she keeps finding stuff that Ella has and then we're in trouble. So yeah, that's even the reason why I don't wear nail polish very often, because then I have kids bugging me that they also want. And yeah, so that's the photo. And then I added those ears and unicorn and that unicorn. I added it on the HP Sprocket app. They have a really cute app with like super cute, stickers or brushes or stamps, whatever you want to call it, everything digital, obviously, that you can add to your photos. And yeah, it's just super cute. I'm pretty sure you don't need a HP Sprocket printer to use the app, I want to say. So maybe check it out in the App Store. It just has really cute stuff in it. Yeah, so I'm trying to fit that one piece of floral from the Paige Evans Horizon floral pack. I love floral packs. And I think I end up using it. And these rainbow or ombre puffy words from Hip Kit Club, these are exclusive to the kit. I think they come in the Project Life kit. They are perfection. They are so pretty, so gorgeous. It's one of those things that just has so much detail to it. Just, the scripty font and the puffy sticker with those ombre colors. Beautiful. So yeah, now I'm going to add a bunch of stickers because I really wanted to do my tone on tone thing with all the peachy colors and the pinky colors, and those balloons are just adorable. So I think I didn't do this yet, but I think I might after posting my layout. I think I will crop it a little bit and then attach it to that crate paper that you see on the screen as like a background or frame. I think that would also look good. And I do love using, when I use white cardstock for my background, most times I cut it down a little bit and then mat it on a 12 by 12 piece of pattern paper, which you can cut the inside of if you don't want to waste the whole sheet. I just prefer the way that it looks. And yeah, I hope you feel inspired. I hope you feel brave to get your mixed media on and try something similar. This was super easy, so give it a go. Here's my finished layout. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and week. Bye.